Are you looking for the best pre-workout formulas? In this video we will look at some of the best pre-workout formulas on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Legion Athletics Pulse Pre-Workout Formula. You don't just get a killer powder mix here, you get the backing of a 100% money-back guarantee, and the endorsement of Mike Matthews, best-selling author. Legion Athletics lays on the marketing pretty thick when it comes to having no fillers, and 100% of everything you need. We're happy to report that it's super packed, and follows through on the heavy promise about doing nearly all of the competition. Thanks to blends of nitric oxide and beta-alanine, you maintain the testosterone you produce when working out, fat loss aid, while improving your endurance to go a little bit longer, challenging your body through every new workout. On top of all that, they use very little additives for flavor, but whatever they are adding packs enough of a punch to ensure you're not dreading this before your next workout. A spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down, as they say. Number 2. Cellucor C4 Pre-Workout Formula. Blend it, mix it, or do whatever the hell you want with it. Cellucor put out the first major pre-workout formula that's designed to get you into the gym and carry you through when you feel like quitting. You can choose between 10 different naturally sweetened flavors with very mild impact on pricing, all while getting an insane value on the quantity. C4 didn't become the #1 best-selling pre-workout powder in America by chance. If you follow our buying guide's information on when to take your pre-workout formula, you'll see C4 kick in just when you need it most, in the middle of your workout, when you're feeling the drag and thinking about cutting loose early. Thanks to enhanced ingredients like creatine monohydrate and amino recovery components, you're able to take a beating and keep on trudging along to get in the best workout of your life. Be sure to also check out our list of the best creatines for more great items like this. Number 3. Pump Surge Caffeine-Free Pre-Workout Formula. We're dipping into the second half of our list, and there's still some great products stacked up. For one, Pump Surge earned our editor's choice for the no-caffeine formula, giving caffeine-sensitive men the ultimate workout without any jitters along the way. These guys are seriously dedicated to ensuring you don't get one drop of filler product or anything you don't absolutely need. They're ultra proud of their US-made CGMP facility that allows them to craft clean, high-quality formulas that don't hide behind proprietary blends. No dye, no filler, and nothing but the best of the best. It's going to be a little bit more per ounce, but it's well worth it to know you got nothing but the best ingredients. Looking to upgrade your gym equipment as well? Check out our gym shorts review or out weightlifting shoes review. Number 4. Mr. Hyde NitroX Pre-Workout Formula. What better way to unleash the beast than going with Mr. Hyde? This brand has been around for a minute, and after moving on from their initial flagship model, they've added a high energy output and 10 eccentrically excellent flavors to choose from. You get a serious punch of caffeine in this container, 400 milligrams, which is like having 5 or 6 coffees at once, so caffeine-sensitive guys should take a step back to Pump Surge further up the list. If you can handle your caffeine, you'll get a burst of energy in about 15 to 30 minutes after taking this, allowing you to get in a few hours of a workout, if you're hardcore enough, and still upkeep that pep in your step all the way through the day. This is some powerful stuff, so be sure to read the caution label when using. And then rock that pull-up bar. Number 5. JYM Pre-Workout Formula. If you want to take your next workout to a higher level than ever before, you need JYM Pre-Workout Powder. Developed by Dr. Jim Stoppany, PhD, it contains just the ingredients you need to perform, and nothing else. The 5 main ingredients are BCAAs, citrulline malate, creatine HCl, beta-alanine, and betaine. If you're new to pre-workout, these ingredients might seem alien to you, but they're super common in this world. The result is more strength, more stamina, better focus, and better results. If you want a lean, athletic body, this is the pre-workout for you.